I kind of got a little sidetracked and did this all by myself. Proud of myself. I still have to put the yarn back in, but, well, not the yarn, but the beads and stuff. But we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Got this little bit yet to go, and then we'll be done. I can't get the back, so I'm just gonna leave the back open, like I did last time. But yeah, got that. Now I got this part. I'm sitting right here. Oh, those look so good. But yeah, so I'm not wearing pants. And on putting more yarn in and beads, probably different colors, like maybe blue. I do have some cream colors. I do have black, so probably more black. But yeah, stay tuned. Hello, so I am going to be breaking this. I just figured I would, because I didn't do like a full hair transformation, I would show you how I'm doing my dreads now, because I do have them in, and I was going to put some more in. I put one in right here just now, and then I'm going to be working on this side, and I don't know if I should do one here, but I did it for the other sideburn. And then I'm going to be working on the back. So I have my hair in a big bun, so I can reach the back pretty easily now. So yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, so sorry about that interruption. I got a call. I don't know what happened to this one. So I'm just going to reinstall right here. It was weird. Super weird. Okay, well, let's install this one, yeah? Okay. I pretty much just part it like so, and then I lay that dread down in the middle where you're parting, and then if it'll stay, braid, missing a piece. So hold it like that. It's all tight. Okay. And then you flip that side over. Take that hair there, flip it over the top. Make sure it's like pretty tight to the fucking scalp. And then braid it. I'm surprised I was able to do like a full head, because last time I did it, it was only like the top of my hair. I don't think they sent me a full head either, because like I had way enough for this time. But last time I installed, well, my friend installed them for me, Token. I didn't have enough for a full head. And I charged myself for a full head of dreads. So there we go. I don't know what happened to that one, but whatever. I usually put like, because these are so flimsy, I bought these from Dollar General for like $1, okay? And they're just little black bands. So I put like 2 or 3 of these bad boys on here just to make sure like they don't break off like that one did. That's pretty much what happened. So hopefully I didn't like lose it anywhere. Well, if I did, I mean, I have enough, so that would just suck, you know? Because I paid a ton of money for these. And then what you do is just decorate them. So I took the little, these out. There were like 5 of them. See? And then you just put them in. I guess this is like kind of installation video, but it's not a full head. Like I only did the bottom of my hair because I wanted to get some dreads down there because it looked kind of wonky. It didn't look that good when I had it up in a bun, and I can finally do a bun with these, whereas my last ones I was not able to. And that set of dreads made my scalp itch really bad. But I did do a scalp treatment, so no problems so far. I hope it stays that way because I don't want to deal with that again. And these are really soft too. I got them, like I said, from Sova Dreads. And we're gonna be creating a custom order for me. This one could probably go up a little more. There we go. I love bling inside of dreads. I eventually plan on getting my own, like growing my hair out. That's what I'm doing now, but like I want to commitment, you know. Is it going to hinder me, or, you know, just that fun stuff that you got to worry about. And then because this one is kind of sticking out like that, I'm going to put this little bead that I have taken out of the other dread. And these are double-ended dreads too, so it looks more full. So like that. It's kind of tight, so yeah, there we go. Let's see what it looks like from behind. I'm gonna get these all untangled because they're kind of, I had them out in a bun. It was pretty windy outside, so this is what they look like. I wanted dreads since forever ago. I don't know what to do with this guy. I'm just gonna tuck him. And then I should do some hairstyles videos. So I usually just take, it doesn't look even at all, I'm sorry, but you're just gonna take maybe 3 strands on each side. And then I like to do the tie in the back. But that's just me. I love this hairstyle for dreads. I think it's very, very elegant and cute. And then, you know, just the normal, basic hair back. Yeah. I'll do a hairstyle video in the next one. Look how much more full that looks. Like, it looks so much better, and my head feels better with like the other set of dreads. This one's about to fall out, I can tell, because I didn't put this one tight enough to my scalp. See how loose that is? Because it's hard to do when you're not looking, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you order your dreads, or order some dreads, or get dreads, or whatever you want to do, you know. These you can just take in and out. You can put them in, you can put them out. You don't have to deal with like maintenance. Well, you do. You have to wash them. You have to wash your scalp. You have to, you know, make sure you're clean. Wash these like once a week. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't a full head, but maybe I could do that for the next one. Next one, if you guys would like to see that. Comment below in the description if you would like, in the comments if you would like to see that. Thank you guys for watching again. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.